In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the slope of a linear regression line in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document and make sure your data is set up properly. You'll need two columns of numeric values, one for your independent variable, often called x, and one for your dependent variable, called y. The independent variable is the input or cause, and the dependent variable is the outcome or effect that you expect to change in response. If you have headers at the top of your columns, that's fine. Just remember not to include those header cells in your calculations. Also, check that the cells contain only numbers, with no stray text, extra spaces, or blank rows inside the ranges you plan to use. Consistent, clean data helps the calculation run smoothly. Next, decide where you want the slope to appear. Click once on the cell where you want to display the result. Choosing a clear, labeled spot, like next to your data or on a summary sheet, makes your spreadsheet easier to read later. Now, click into the formula bar at the top of the sheet. This is where you'll enter the function that computes the slope. In Google Sheets, the function you'll use is slope, and it needs two ranges, the y values first, then the x values. Type the formula in this format. Slope, y range, x range. Replace y range with the cells containing your dependent values, and x range with the cells containing your independent values. For example, if your y values are in column B from row 2 to 21, and your x values are in column A for the same rows, you'd type slope B2, B21, A2, A21. Make sure both ranges are the same length and align row by row, or you'll get an error. Press Enter to calculate. Google Sheets will immediately return a single number. That's your slope. A positive slope means y increases as x increases, a negative slope means y decreases as x increases, and a slope near zero suggests little to no linear relationship. Finally, take a moment to review what the result means. The slope represents the rate of change of y with respect to x, how much y changes for each 1 unit increase in x. Consider the units of your variables so the slope has practical meaning. If needed, format the result to a sensible number of decimal places so it's easy to interpret. And remember, if you edit your underlying data, the slope will update automatically. If you see an error, check that your ranges match, contain only numbers, and exclude headers. That's all you need to calculate slope in Google Sheets.